Hello Garba lovers! If you are bored with simple monotonous Teen Tali Garba, learn these three variations and you'll have more fun playing Teen Tali. Variation 1, I call it Tali Fusion. Let's see first in slow motion. Now let's do with the music. Variation 2, Teen Tali with Titoda. So let's see first in slow motion. Now let's do with the music. Variation 3, Teen Tali with Hinge. Let's see in slow motion first. Now let's do it with music. If you enjoyed this, please check out my full Garba workshop. Link is given in the description. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.